everyone, this is Travis Quadlander here at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt, and today is a beautiful day here at Rush Peterbilt in Dallas. It's Thursday, May 14th, and what you're looking at is the first 2021 Peterbilt 389 78-inch stand-up Platinum sleeper that we had arrive since the factory just opened back up last Monday, May 4th. I am really thrilled to see this truck. As you can see here in our back lot, we're pretty bare. It's not unusual to have 2-3 trucks deep on this back lot. As I said, this is the first 2021 Peterbilt 389 that we had arrive since the factory opened back up on May 4th. We've got, I think, about 15 others that are scheduled to be built any day now. We've got our long and tall A spec, owner operator spec like this. We've got a C spec that looks very similar to this. It's got the 500 horsepower instead of the 565 horsepower Prestige interior instead of Platinum interior if you want to save some money there. If you haven't seen my owner operator on a budget video, it's going to be very similar to that. In addition to that, we've got some custom trucks coming in that we are going to do 8-inch pipes, painted frames, lights package, drop visor, custom bumper, maybe throw a tail light bar on there. And we also have some custom specials that we are doing the longer 290-inch wheelbase, air ride front suspension, and those same custom features, painted frame, 8-inch pipes, drop visor, front bumper. Let's talk about this truck. Again, it's a bright blue 2021 Peterbilt 389, 78-inch stand-up sleeper, Platinum interior. It's our owner-operator spec, all aluminum wheels, all disc brakes, Cummins X15 Performance Series engine, 565 horsepower, 1850 pound-feet of torque, paired to an Eaton Fuller 18-speed manual transmission, Bridgestone 24/5 low pro tires all the way around. We've got R284s up front and the M713s in the back. Additional toolboxes on both sides. Hogebuilt premium 27-inch stainless steel quarter fenders. Holland FW35 fifth wheel plate with air slide. Low air leaf rear suspension. We do have the stainless steel cover on the def tank. Inside we've got Platinum interior, black leather, premium UltraRide seats. This is a single bunk with the additional storage cabinets. We do have double bunks available as well. This one's locked up, so we're not taking a look inside, but I'll try and get a video up once we've got this truck pre-delivery inspected. There's a look at your Cummins X15 Performance Series engine. Love the new name badges for the 2021s. Again, 565 horsepower, 1850 pound-feet of torque. All aluminum wheels, all disc brakes, remote lube points, greasable front springs. We've upgraded to the Davco 382 fuel water separator. Removable bug screen, and of course your anti-blowdown technology, so that's not gonna close down on you while you're underneath the hood in a windy area. Again, it's a beautiful day here at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt. We've got 2021 Peterbilt 389s available in stock and on order. Got about, like I said, I want to say about 15 that should be here any day. Some more on order. We do have build spots available as well. Certainly get your orders in. I know times are tough, and I really want to thank all you truckers out there keeping our country moving when we need you the most. Give me a call. My name is Travis Quadlander here at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt. My cell is 817-504-7220, or you can come see us at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt here in Irving, Texas, off of Loop 12 and Union Bower. Hablo español. Puedo llamarme a 817-504-7220. Thanks, and have a great day, guys.